Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And what about you?
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Nishu. And what about you? What
My
is your
name
name?
my name is Shivani Nirwal. And where are you from?
I'm from Ramala. And where are you from?
I am from Sauga.
Okay. So, what have you passed so far?
I have passed graduation and nowadays I am learning spoken English here.
And where are you learning spoken English?
I am learning spoken English at Boston campus.
Are you preparing your post graduation? You're not.
No, I am not preparing my for.
First,
No, I am not pursuing my post graduation.
so, what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I am only learning spoken English.
Okay. Are you preparing for any government exam?
Yes, I am preparing for RPF.
RPF. Do you know what is the full form of RPF?
No, I don't know.
So, how many family members do you have?
I have 6 family members.
So, how many siblings do you have?
I have only one sibling.
And what does he do?
He's he's doing he's doing a job in Noida. And what
And
are you going to do on this Diwali?
I will celebrate by the happiness. And what about you?
Yes, I will celebrate with my family.
And what will you do on Diwali?
I will wear new clothes and first of all I pray to God and after that I I burn crackers and will we meet on Diwali?
Yeah,
And how will we meet?
as your wish. If you want to meet me, so we will meet on Diwali.
Okay.
So, what is your goal?
I want to be a teacher. And what is your goal?
I want to be a self-dependent person.
Okay. And after your job, will you meet me?
Yeah, of course. I must meet you.
And until when will you have your until when will you have completed your course?
I will have completed my course by the end of this month.
Will you
And
come after this month?
yes, I may come after this month. And what about you?
Yes, I may come. If you come, so I may already come.
Okay.
Next discussion.
Okay, same to you.